Right, I powered it up before, and because it crashed, some of the code didn't initialise the switches properly because none of the switch edges were on. All of these little squares weren't present. So that's probably why it thought there was a ball in the pit stop popper, because there's an opto in there and it thought there was a ball in there all the time and it was trying to get rid of it all the time. Which is interesting. Probably needs to be a check somewhere in the code to make sure it can read all the switches or that initialise them or something like that. Anyway, it seems a bit happier now that I've power cycled it without the switch that's causing that crash to be pressed down on boot up. So now we can run the solenoid test. Trough release. Yep. Basically, a ball went on there, and that causes it to crash on my one at the moment because of a bug. So that one works. Woohoo! It's a bit annoying though. Can't do much testing of the in-game thing if I can't launch a bloody ball. Test report. Right. Yeah, if it crashes during boot up, this is what the switch edges looks like. They're empty. So I'm gonna, and it can't recover from that. You have to power cycle it. And it also says that switch power is not present. So power cycle again. Boots up all right. Pit stop popper's not going mad. And it should say pinball missing because it's in my hand, which is fine because I need to test that. So now if I stick it in, it should eject. Look at that, we've got some shitty solenoid work. Woohoo! Oh, here I may as well. Yeah, that ball capture device works. Let's try engine. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty good. Alright, let's run some more tests. Trough release. I'm not doing that one again, otherwise it'll crash. Okay. And do some tests. Right, this is a low rev gate solenoid. That's alright for a pulse kickback. Pit stop popper, we already know that's working. That's the one at the back up here. That's good. That one's not used. A knocker at the top. Oh, that works. Blimey. It's loud, isn't it? Route 66 kick out. We know that works. So that's this one back here. Left slingshot. Yeah. Right slingshot. Yeah. Left jet. Lower jet. Yeah. Upper jet, which is actually marked as the right jet, but that's fine. A loop gate. That's this one over here. Looks pretty good. Race direction. Left face enable. That goes backwards. Okay, so I think this race direction needs to be on, and then power gets diverted so that the cars go backwards. If I just move these forwards a little bit, we'll see that activating the left or right race enable drives the cars backwards. That's useful to know. The racetrack should be easy enough to get working. It's the LT5 engine thing that's going to be more fun. Right, let's check the flippers. Yeah, it does some stuff. Yeah, it's spring loaded. I can't really actually test that very much. That looks pretty good. We've got some lights on as well. Didn't have any lights on yesterday, so we'll do some more light tests. Flasher tests. Let's try some of these. Jets. Yes. Needs to be longer than that. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one there. Upper left flipper should be here. Yeah. None of the times are long enough, but that's alright. Catch me. Where's that? Oh, it's down here. Yep. That on one ramp. Yep. On the side. Yeah, that's one at the back. Rear panel. Right stand up. These are the two together, even though it says right. Jets. Yeah, we're already there. So yeah, all flashes are working then. Looks pretty good. General illumination. Upper left, upper right. We've got some text wraparound issue. Playfield lower left, it says. Lower right, looking good. All on. And the back box lights are all working as well. Which is pretty good. Let's check the brightness. If I go all on. Oops, that's the wrong button. Right, here we go. So brightness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That works. Right, let's do some lamp tests. Hey, look at that. Flashy, flashy. That's pretty cool. Door buttons are working. There we go. Hopefully I haven't got any loose lamps. They should all be flashing. They are. Yeah, so I've not missed any there. Yeah, all the lamps are going there. Display test. You should be able to see the columns. And then the rows. Looks pretty good. Okay, so we can do a development and we can check some not display effects, lamp effects. Track mode. Does some stuff. Yeah. A bit of a bug there where the title doesn't work. Let's have a look at this again. So if I select A mode, run it, go next, it says tilt warning, start that, go back to the other one,